Now, how can a host, when you, and if you do get on there, how can you use it to your benefit? Well, what I would be personally looking to do is I would be looking to become the local or niche based person of influence. So, as I'm always saying, relationships, relationships, relationships. This is how you build your business. This is how you build your online brand from a local level. Go and create the relationships with local businesses similar-ish to you, and even go and create relationships with the local delivery drivers, with the restaurants, local restaurants. So what I'm personally doing on Clubhouse from a Boostly point of view is that I am joining any discussion in and around property. There's not really any hospitality conversations on there. There's not really accommodation marketing conversations, but there are a ton of Airbnb discussions. So what I'm going is I'm joining these rooms and I'm sharing the tactics on, listen, you don't just have to rely on Airbnb here. I'm giving marketing advice when it comes to Airbnb, but I'm also leaving them with food for thought and just talking about other tactics and tips on how to increase their own bookings, their direct bookings, and telling them about PMSs and digital guidebooks. And that's what I'm doing. If you can be the person when someone's coming into these rooms and they're inviting you up to speak, or you're speaking about the niche and talking about these topics, and again, it's not overselling yourself. You're not going in just to talk about you and your property and how good it is. But if you go in and talking about a topic that you are excited about, that is based around, maybe your farm stay property or whatever you may do, then you will naturally then people will start inviting you into the room.